Yo, it's your boy, Dragons of Thunder, and I'm back with another video, live and direct. It is 7:50 in the morning, and I just cut my lights on early. They normally come on at 8 by themselves, but I'm about to give y'all a morning routine of a Bioactive and a morning routine in general. Only dragon that slept inside yesterday was my spoiled little Naga. Naga, you spoiled, girl? Yeah. Huh? I was getting up, getting dressed, walking around, and the wife and kids dipped out this morning. And I'm walking around looking for stuff, and I'm asking Naga, did she see it? Call me crazy, but she know what I'm talking about. So let's get to this routine, and I'll show you guys. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Temps are dropping. There's no more super hot summer days here in Texas, North Texas. South Texas still burning. Actually, during the daytime, it's still burning here in Texas. Please don't judge. I am still building my stand, and all of this will be cleared up in a minute. But I got her sitting on 2x3s and buckets. This is Naga's tank right now. We got a Zelle over here posted up. Wah wah. Yep, surface warfare veteran. E-Ray on deck. Fang took off soon as the garage door went up. He don't he's still young, so he does like Naga, E-Ray, and Azula used to do. When that garage door gets to rumbling and coming down and up, he gets the hell out of Dodge. Yep. But this is some greens I got, turnip greens going on. And so with that being said, I'm doing greens today. I kinda start balling them up and just dropping them in. That way they can take big bites out of it. You know what I mean? If they do grab one. So no thin slices for my dragons, ever, really. I stopped doing that a long time ago. I give her a few bell pepper, and that's that yellow bell. So I'm gonna get her under her light, even though she's spoiled and I don't wanna put her back. I'm gonna get her up in here real quick. You in there, Naga? You safe? This girl is so beautiful. She got a bath yesterday, man. Like a real bath. I scrubbed her. Don't ever scrub your bearded dragon. I did not scrub her. I rubbed her in the directions of her scales, and I used baby shampoo or Johnson & Johnson baby bath. From head to tail. Head, tail, feet, all that. She got bathed up, and she's looking great. She's looking glorious. Glorious. So we got her breakfast. She's had her vitamins for the week. Next time she get vitamins will be Friday. Today is Wednesday. So I put their food in. I'm gonna show you everything that I do to one tank, and then I get myself a couple of pumps. Pump it up. So my neighbors probably think I'm crazy as hell, but I talk to my neighbors so they don't. So last night I watered my precious Bioactives. I spray the walls and everything. I don't care. I have had no issues with wood rot with my custom tanks. So if you want to spray your walls to death, do it. I don't care. But it should hold up. But actually, if you buy one for me, I'm not gonna recommend that. Don't do that. Because if it do start acting up, you might get a bad piece of wood that's not sealed and have that precious coating on it. This wood comes with a coating on top of it on the reddish side. On the brownish wood looking side, it doesn't. And I put these in wrong. The reddish protective side is on the outside, and the precious wood is on the inside. So I explain that, man. I'll explain that later maybe when I'm doing a build, but y'all don't need to know that right now. So We got her veggies in with bell pepper. Also, we just sprayed. The water is for the plants mainly, but the isopods, roly-poly, springtails, all that stuff, they do benefit from that water. I got me some sprouties, man. That's them collard greens on deck. I'm hoping Naga leaves them alone and don't messes with them. I have squash that I planted and endive yesterday. I think I put okra in one of these. I don't remember, but I know for sure I put my okra. You see this? All right, so I'll take out these supers and put them up, and then I'll wash the bowl out outside. So let's see. I will put them in here for now with the mealworms. I hope they don't climb out. So mealworms, superworms going together? Yes, I don't care. They all go in the same mouth. So what I do is, damn, I think I got isopods and crap in this. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. But I dump it out. If the bowl's real dirty, I'll give it a wash. Naga's bowl wasn't dirty because I washed it last night or yesterday, I don't remember. It was one of them. So I come over here, throw that bad boy down, cut my water on, cut that OUTTIE on, and I get to misting. I blast him out for like maybe, I try to do 30 seconds, but today I'm not doing that. I'm gonna spray that bad boy right now, and what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna cut the water off, and I'm gonna take it in and wipe it down. Y'all say good hot to the neighborhood. Good hot to the neighborhood. I like that tree. That's where I get my magnolia leaves from. This is a magnolia tree, so I get my leaves for free. And this guy's from Vietnam next door, and he's gonna, look at that punk ass cat down there. Man, y'all don't get mad at me, but I don't like cats. Look at him, going to somebody's backyard. The mama cat got hit 2 days ago. She had some babies, and I think like 5 days or so after she had the babies, she got hit. So she's no longer with us. But it's kind of sad too, because it ain't her fault for being a stray. Let's see if I can set this up. Y'all can look at that for a minute. I'm wiping this bowl out, and I only got 2 hands. I only got 2 hands. I only got 2 hands. So, I'm getting her greens mixed up real quick, and giving her some bellsy bells. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, got her. Man, I guess the camera likes me. But got her 4 bells on deck, and let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all we need. At night I pump it 8 times and I spray it until the mist gets real weak. I don't spray too much to where the water will penetrate through that top soil and go down to the bottom of my tank, because matter of fact, this is the only tank that got charcoal pebbles on the bottom, and then I got a screen protector, a screen liner, and then I got my topsoil and sand on top of that screen. This is the only tank that got that full drainage layer. E-Ray's, his cool side is not. His cool side does not have the drainage layer, so I make sure I do not overspray. I do not want water going to the bottom of my tanks. And like I told y'all, I do not change my water every day. I do it every week, or unless it gets filthy, then I will change it out. I spray over here too because I have isopods in here. I have isopods, I have springtails, and a couple of mealworm, and maybe maybe like 5 mealworms and maybe 2 supers. His water will get changed later on because I don't like the way it looks. Really, it ain't even dirty, it's just the greens in it. But yeah, man, so that's my process in the morning. And then I cut on my music and I jam out. I cut the big fan off because it feels great outside. Yeah, man, that's my morning routine with them. And then once they warmed up, I'll give them some protein. I'm gonna get E-Race greens in and the babies. And also, I want to tell y'all, I do cut up the babies' vegetables a little thinner. So this is adults. Naga's not an adult. Azula's not an adult. I kind of consider E-Ray an adult. But yeah, Azula's still growing. Naga's still growing. And E-Ray's still growing too, but he's an adult. So that's the adults, and this is the babies. This is Fangs. So Fang get real skinny ones. Anyway, today's menu: wax worms for Fang, 3 big dubious for Naga. I'll give her 2 after she eats some greens, and then around 5 o'clock I'll give her 1 last big dubia. That girl, she'll get whatever she wants today. She didn't eat yesterday or the day before. E-Ray will play it by ear. He don't give a shit. I don't either. So long as he's happy, I'm happy. As long as he's healthy. Before I start my building again, with the deposits I've received for tanks, I am gonna try to straighten this back up again. And I wanna work. I wanna be able to flow with my work. Put my saw out on my work car, on the back of it, and cut up my stuff that I need to cut up. And I need to pile these up in the way I need them and want them. And I think that's about it. I need to put up that Miracle Grow, the place sand, and the sphagnum. I stored that inside in a bucket with a lid on it because I don't want anything getting in it or going bad. So next time I do a video, if you see that out, man, cuss me out. Tell me, hey, get your sorry ass together and put your sand and your topsoil and sphagnum moss back inside in a bucket with a lid on it. Get on my ass, man, I'm telling you. Thrash that like, pound that subscribe. It's been real in the field. And Bioactive is great, man. It's therapeutic and you can do it too. So get to it. Love your babies like I love my babies. And this is news that you can use. And hit that bell too and all that other good shit, man. It's your boy Dragons of Thunder. I'm OUTTIE 5000.